So my Powervent water heater sprung a leak after just 4.5 years. I got to replace it. You want to see how? Come with me. I'm going to start by turning the gas off. Next, I will unplug the water heater, turn the water off, and now go to a bunch of faucets and open the hot water to drain it. I'm going to go down to the drain valve and connect a short length of garden hose, run that to a nearby floor drain, and I'm going to drain the tank. This takes quite a while, so while that's happening, I'm going to work on disconnecting the discharge tube. I'm going to save that because I'm going to need it on my next one. I'm going to remove the gas piping, and I'm going to save the fittings going into the control valve because the next water heater doesn't come with these fittings. So I'll unscrew all that and put it in a safe spot. Next, I get to disconnect the water lines. Start with the cold, move on to the hot, disconnect all that, and I'm going to save these fittings, but I'm not showing that on camera. Next, I'm going to go to the Powervent. I'm going to disconnect it, and at that point, my water heater is disconnected entirely. I'm going to pull it out of place, run to the store, get a new water heater, bring it home, unbox it in my driveway, and then bring it back down to the basement and get it all positioned into place. I'm going to install the blower fan assembly, which is exclusive to Powervent water heaters. Takes a little bit of time getting it into place. Next, I'm going to take some screws. I'm going to fasten it to the top of the tank. And now I'm ready to move the tank into place. I'm going to line up my water lines and I'm going to tighten them, just hand tighten them down. Next, I'll take a wrench and I'll get a super crank down, make sure there's no leaks. And then I'll take the vent, put that into place, and I take my impact driver and I get it nice and tight. And now I'll take the gas fittings and I'll put those back in place exactly the way they were on the last water heater. Once I have all of the gas fittings put back together, I'm going to turn the gas back on and then I'll check for leaks. If you have a soap bubble solution, that works fine. In the video here, I'm using an electronic gas detector. Next, I'll take my temperature and pressure relief valve discharge tube and reconnect it. I'll turn the water back on. I'll plug the unit back in. I'll flip the power onto the unit and I'll make sure the unit fires up. At that point, I'm done. If you want to see an extended version of this where I talk through every little detail and I show you how all these steps actually work, check out my 35-minute version of this video on YouTube. I'm Ruben Saltzman with Structure Tech Home Inspections. Thanks for watching. Take care.